Hey guys, Justin here with Zone Off-Road. Want to talk to you today about Fox Adventure Series shocks. So you may know, when we're modifying vehicle suspension, obviously the shock is an extremely important component to that adjustment. And in many cases, you'll use something like this, which is our Zone Nitro series. This is an OE style twin tube shock, meaning inside of here we have two tubes, one of gas, one of shock oil, and they kind of work against each other to create the dampening effect. This is a very effective shock, although performance is a little bit lacking, especially with big tires and heavy off-road use. You might be a little bit more familiar with this guy, which is a Fox Adventure Series shock. This is a steel body, internal floating piston design, heavy-duty performance shock. This is really a budget, conscious or a budget effective way to get into a very good performance shock. We have a 5/8 diameter shock shaft. We have custom tuning to application. And something that's a little bit unique is these are made by Zone Off-Road in Coldwater, Michigan. So a bit exclusive. You won't find these on the Fox website, and many, wholesale distributors don't actually have this shock. This is something that kind of comes with our partnership with the AAM Group. Very excited to offer this. We offer this in many applications, including stock replacement, and coming soon, going to be lifted strut applications as well. So, check in with your consumers, see if they want a little bit of an upgrade. Obviously, it's an upsell for you, in the shop, but also a little bit of an upgrade in performance for them. If you want to know more about these Fox Adventure Series shocks, check them out at zoneoffroad.com.